they come with. I'm outside, y'all, by the way, so excuse the noise. Okay. Check it out. Bad boys out. Uh-oh. Here they are. You got a pair of these? Comment down below. Do you like these? Or do you want to try them? The pissed off barber. Got the little lever clicks. They feel pretty light. Feel kind of like some magic clips or something. Not too heavy. Actually feel pretty good. All right, so we got the little charging port. Number 3, number 4, number 6, number 1. I don't know if I'm gonna use these because I usually use the wall premiums. The cleaner and the oil. Number 2. Got the number 5. The charger. Pretty much all it came with. The charging port didn't come with the box, so that kind of sucks, but it's all good. Plug this up. And charge them up. All right, y'all. After using these all day, I give them like maybe like a 6 out of 10, maybe 7, 6.5. They're pretty good. Just the only thing, they need to be 0 gapped, and I feel like they cut good, but they don't go good through bulk. Whenever you try to debulk the hair, you kind of got to go over it a few times. But other than that, they faded out pretty good. They're good for $55. They're really, really good. 10 out of 10 for 55 bucks. But overall clipper, 6.5. Because my JRLs, my Wall Seniors, Magic Clips, all the other ones, they're better than these. But if you're on a budget, these are actually really, really good. And they have a better version also, and that I haven't used yet. But these are good. But yeah, that's what I think about them, man. I did a few cuts with them today, and yeah, try them out. Peace.